Yo, what's good guys, it's Manalo. This is gonna be my very first custom and we're gonna be doing it on a pair of Maroon 6's, and all we're gonna do is change the color of the panels. This is gonna be a crossbreed between Maroon 6's and the Carmine 6's. So before we get started on this custom, we have to remove all of the laces and accessories out of the shoes. And for the paint that I'm using, I made my own color match that I put in this burgundy bottle. It's a little bit of burgundy, white, pink, and brown. See, I thoroughly enjoy the simplistic look of the Maroon 6's. A couple of years ago, I bought a dead stock pair from 1991 and did a midsole swap. And I just wasn't a fan of the cracking synthetic leather in the back, so I'm glad that they retroed them. So all we need to do the prep work is acetone, cotton balls, and Q-tips, and a lot of tape. So I'll be using cotton balls and acetone to remove the factory varnish on the shoes. This will help our paint adhere to the leather a lot better. Very important tip for you guys: if you guys are doing any type of custom work or any work in general, prep work will save your ass in the end. If you skip on prep work and you cut corners, it will show on your final product. So please guys, take your time, avoid the headache. The prep work takes about 80% of the entire process, and the rest is actually painting or whatever else you have to do. I'm also going to tape up the tongue just to avoid any mishaps, and I'm going to be using two types of brushes, one fine brush and one bigger brush for the larger areas. This custom is super simple. All we have to do now is paint the Nike Air and the custom will be finished. If you guys enjoyed this custom, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me get more viewers and see my dope work. If you guys want something like this done, it'll be $100 plus ship and all the fees. All you have to do is provide the Maroon 6's. My email is manalorestorations@gmail.com. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe, guys. Take it easy. Alright guys, before in this video, I just want to make it clear that you do get what you pay for. This is my custom. This is another person's custom, failed custom. And you could see that whatever he did, it was not properly prepped. It took me 30 minutes just to prep the uppers. 30 minutes. And this guy, I don't know what he did, because there's some paint on the edge of the leather where it shouldn't be. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is a better example. There's paint on the edge of the leather where mine is not. So the only thing painted is the panel itself. Alright guys. And not only that, there's the liner on the inside is also dyed. That's not supposed to be there, as of right here too. And on the rubber toe cap. As you can see that. Mine has no blemishes because of the prep work. So like I said, you get what you pay for. This guy paid $65 plus shipping. I charged my guy $100 plus shipping. So that extra $40 will save you all of this blemishes from happening. Alright guys,